Don't toss your old laptop. A guide to installing Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Windows 10 support is ending. Microsoft's official cutoff was October 2025, though extended updates will only last another year. Many users still on Windows 10 may now want to upgrade to Windows 11. The catch: a significant number of older computers appear incompatible according to Microsoft's own tools, but often aren't. This guide outlines how to bypass system requirement checks and install Windows 11 on hardware that officially doesn't meet the criteria. The process involves a few simple BIOS tweaks that take minutes. If your machine is around 6 years old or newer, you likely can upgrade. Older systems may struggle, but it's still worth trying. Why this matters? The end of support and AMP security. Microsoft ending support for Windows 10 isn't just a software update, it's a security issue. Unsupported operating systems become prime targets for malware and exploits. Hackers know millions of devices will remain vulnerable, making them attractive targets. Upgrading to Windows 11 or replacing an incompatible machine is the most secure path forward. Identifying compatibility issues before diving in, use Microsoft's PC Health Check app to see why your system fails the compatibility test. Type Health Check in the Windows search bar and run the tool. The most common roadblocks are secure boot and TPM, Trusted Platform Module, requirements. If the issue is an incompatible processor, the workaround is more difficult. If your CPU is the problem, a clean install of Windows 11, wiping your drive and reinstalling everything, may bypass the check. However, this isn't officially supported. Enabling secure boot and TPM2, the key to bypassing compatibility checks lies in adjusting BIOS settings. Secure boot and TPM2 are the primary hurdles for many systems. Here's how to address them. Accessing the BIOS. The method varies by manufacturer. Typically, you press a key Delete, F2, F12, or ESC during startup before Windows loads. Search online for your motherboard model plus access BIOS if you're unsure. Enable UEFI. Ensure your system runs in UEFI mode instead of legacy BIOS. This is usually found in the BIOS settings under Boot or Advanced Options. Enable Secure Boot. Locate the Secure Boot setting in the BIOS, often under Security or Boot. Enable it to enhance system security and meet Windows 11 requirements. Enable TPM. Look for the Trusted Platform Module (TPM) setting. If disabled, enable it. Many modern motherboards have TPM built in, but require manual activation in the BIOS. Checking BIOS settings, Windows to verify your settings without restarting. Press Windows plus R, type msinfo32 and check Secure Boot State. It should show On. Confirm BIOS mode is set to UEFI. Press Windows plus R again, type TPM, MSC and verify TPM information is displayed. If not, double-check BIOS settings. The registry workaround, advanced users only. If your system still fails, a registry edit might bypass the check for older TPM versions, 1.2. However, incorrect registry changes can render your computer unusable. This method is not recommended unless you're comfortable with advanced troubleshooting. Last resort, external TPM modules. For some motherboards, an external TPM module can add compatibility. Search online for your motherboard model and TPM compatibility to see if this is an option. Is it worth it? For computers less than 6 years old, the upgrade process is usually straightforward. The security benefits of Windows 11 make it worthwhile. If your machine is too old or incompatible, consider replacing it, especially with holiday discounts approaching. If your computer remains offline and never connects to the internet, the risk of malware is minimal. However, for any connected device, upgrading or replacing is the most responsible approach.